my channel. Today we are going to talk about peonies. Peonies in Fervida. I want to make Fervida with my peonies, guys. You know why? Why Fervida? Because Fervida is a neologism that represents the ancient Thai fermentation techniques called namak. It a long time to make mature, but the wait is then repaid with live probiotics of great value and concentration. It is also a good prebiotics, and during the long fermentation, guys, numerous nutrients are created which, together with the phytotherapeutic properties of the fermented vegetables and flowers, that make the Fervida the king or queen of all fermentation. They are suitable for restoring a good microbiota and health maintenance in general, thanks also the essential amino acids, enzymes, minerals, vitamins, antioxidants, fatty acids, and short-chain fatty acids. It can be taken orally or used in topical way. Yes, guys. And also, guys, they are also used to protect the environment and ecosystems, used as a substitute for numerous chemical products for cleaning, cosmetics, agriculture, and etc. You know, guys, Fervida is very easy to do and costs are almost nothing. So today, they represent one of the most revolutionary, fundamental, and indispensable ways for human, animal, and planet welfare. So Fervida accompanies us also in our social paths, spiritual growth, and in the journey to the discovery of ourselves, favoring over time the return to a calm and peaceful life in harmony with the world. Yes, guys. That's why I always make Fervida. So the reason why, guys, I use this and I made Fervida because it's very helpful to me. Yes. And also to my children, guys. And of course to my plants. Yes. I use Fervida anywhere, everywhere, and of course to myself. Yes, it's very helpful, guys. So watch out, guys, what I'm going to do now. So after I harvested the flowers, I need to shake it to remove the insects and of course some of them, you know, the dust. So you just to shake the flowers like that so that we can remove the insects inside, because all my flowers, guys, are bio. I didn't put any chemicals on it. Yes. So watch out, guys. I hope you like this video and I hope you will do fermentation at your home too. Yes, it's very easy to do, but it takes a very long time in order to taste your Fervida in the future. So just like that, I also turn up, down, inside, so that maybe there's some insects is hiding there. Yes, just like that, guys. And after, I need to wash it with the run water. Yeah, I use deep well water, guys. I'm fortunate here because we have a deep well water, so I did not use the water in my faucet. Okay, just wash like that. Just wash and wash and wash until the petals will become clean. Okay, guys, so just like that. Very simple. So after we wash it thoroughly, we need to dry it, okay? We need to leave this just like that. Just shake it to remove the excess water and leave it there for a couple of minutes if it's enough, or else more. So just shake and shake to remove the excess water, guys. Yes. So you need a lot of patience and love doing this kind of fervida, guys. So it's quite dry now. So what we're going to do is we need to make a fervida. So this is it, guys. So get a jar, a big jar. You can also use container, plastic container if you have, but at the moment I have no plastic container, so I use this glass. So I will put all the peonies inside, not really full the jar. It's like 3/4 of it. So the 3 parts of it of the peonies, and the rest I will put the liquid later. So as you can see, guys, it's very easy. Yes, just like that. So after you put all the peonies inside the jar, you get sugar. I use this organic brown sugar, guys. So the measurement is every 1 liter of water, you need to put 200 grams of sugar. So today I use 2 liters of water. So I use 400 grams of sugar, okay? Then dissolve the sugar in the water. Okay, dissolve it thoroughly, just like that. It takes a lot of patience and love, guys, in order to dissolve this sugar in our water. If in your home you have honey, it's better to use honey. But in my home, I only have organic brown sugar, so I use it. Okay, guys? So you have to dissolve it, the sugar in the water. So you have to check if it already dissolved the sugar, just doing like that. And as you can see, it's almost done. So we dissolve it more. Okay, it's done. So we can put it inside our jar, guys. Remember, we need to put this to cover the flour. Yes, it's like half full liquid, just like that. Okay, it's very easy. And then afterwards, you need to cover it, but remember, before covering, you need to put a plastic. Okay, just like that. So when you cover it, guys, do not tighten up your jar, okay? Just close it like half closed, just like that, because the fermentation will occur the next day, so that some air can go out. Okay, so just put it like that. here they are already finished putting the liquid inside our jar. So that is sugar and water, guys. I use deep well water. Okay, so here they are. You can see it's very nice.